Oh, good delivery, and the ball has slipped as well. Oh, given. Finger goes up. Late celebration, a bit of a surprise. And there is a review. The Zyper, so let's have...
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW. Original decision is not out. Front foot checked, it's a fair delivery. Could have front on spin vision, please. Okay, clearly no bat involved. We'll go to ball tracking when ready, please.